Ever feel like chasing clients for documents and information takes more time than the actual work? It's a common bottleneck that slows your team down and frustrates clients. If you're still relying on endless email threads and shared drives, you're leaking hours every week. That's where the Financial Sense Client Portal comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you how this secure branded hub can eliminate chaos, centralize communication, and deliver a seamless experience to your clients. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, introduce it to clients, and use each module to save time and improve your firm's workflow. Let's dive in. Within the portal, client tasks and requests automates data collection so you can reclaim more than 10 hours per week. You can request documents, e-signatures, or specific client info directly from a template. Set automatic email and SMS reminders so you never chase your clients manually. Clients just upload their files or respond in the portal, and you get notified instantly. No more jigging through inboxes or following up by phone. Next up is billing and proposals, your gateway to seamless invoicing. Clients can view both outstanding and past invoices. They can manage payment methods and pay right from the portal. All transactions are secure, transparent, and branded with your firm's identity. This makes billing clean, professional, and efficient. The client chat module brings all client conversations into one searchable space. You can separate discussions by topic for clarity. Permissions let you control which team members and client contacts see what. It's perfect for quick questions or document clarifications without messy email trail. You get context, history, and accountability all in one place. Need a place for evergreen documents and reports? Folder sharing lets you share those files securely with clients. Think of bookkeeping files, tax statements, or entity documents that your clients can access anytime. Clients can even upload their own documents if you give them access. No more emailing sensitive files back and forth. Everything's all in one secure place. Recats is a game changer if you pull transactions from QuickBooks Online. It automatically lists uncategorized transactions in the portal. From there, you can ask clients follow-up questions or request supporting docs. If they don't respond, automatic reminders light the fire. Once done, you categorize the items in FC and the info pushes back into QBO. No spreadsheets, no copying and pasting, just simple syncs and clarity. The portal was built to feel simple and intuitive. No passwords, no logins, just a magic link that works. Its modern design reduces friction so clients are comfortable using it immediately. High adoption means less follow-up and more trust. This is a great way to wow your clients. You can fully white label the portal to match your brand. Customize the URL, colors, and buttons and make it feel seamless with your website and communication. Add your logo, apply brand colors, and redirect clients with confidence. The goal is a professional client experience that reinforces your brand at every click. Getting started is easy. Use the pre-built email template to introduce the portal and to explain why it's a game changer. Embed a tutorial video so clients know what to expect. Add a client portal button to your website and email signature for anytime access. Clients will see a secure portal link like app.financialsense.com/client-portal. That works without a login. It's a frictionless launch, no passwords, no confusion. If you're still managing documents and communication with email chains and shared drives, it's time to upgrade. David Sims, the treasury manager at UNC Healthcare System, said it best. My clients like how easy and simple the client portal is to use. Everyone has just started using it without instruction, so I like it too. That's the kind of adoption and simplicity that changes how your firm works. Fewer client questions, less back and forth, and more time to focus on the work that matters. Start using the client portal today inside Financial Sense and give your clients a better, faster, and easier way to work with your firm. Want help rolling it out? Check out the resources linked below and drop a comment if you get stuck. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss our next video. And if you're ready to take back your time, click the next video on screen to discover more ways to automate your firm with Financial Sense.